in deep regret, someone wants to apologize. Wanting and doing are two separate things. There is someone who has taken the time out to analyze about the way they showed up in the situation with you. They were in their ego. They were being selfish. And they were not considering your emotions. Seeing you happy or happier is really triggering this individual, because there's a pang of guilt about the way they acted, the way they treated you, what they said, and seeing how on the surface you're not letting the situation affect you is making this person feel guilty. It's like they feel sorry for you, because they know that how you show up is like someone that is helpful in their own world, not bothering anyone, happy in their own company. And in contrast to their behavior at the time, they're seeing that their energy was a fierce force against your energy. They were quite mean-spirited, They were mean-spirited towards you. Ruthless in some cases. Dictatorial, aggressive, rude, abrupt, vicious, and a bully. And they want to apologize from the bottom of their heart. They feel ashamed for what they did. They feel ashamed for how they let you sit in the emotions that they projected onto you. And for some of you, they feel like to cry. They're gaining some sense of empathy now. And they want to invest in making the situation right with you. But they feel like, for some of you, you're out of reach. Some of you have blocked this individual. Some of you don't want to speak to this individual no more. And for some of you, what has caused this feeling of wanting to apologize and make amends with you is seeing how you are winning. Because I feel like whatever this person did to you, it catapulted you towards success. Some of you used the energy of pain and allowed it to move you towards what you wanted to make a reality. And for some of you, this individual seeing that despite their treatment of you, you still maintained your focus and you're winning. And this person has admiration for you, respect for you. For some of you, this individual felt like they could treat you in the way that they did because of maybe a job role you were in. Maybe you were paid lesser than them, only to find that you are extremely successful. Some of you are well known, but you kept this a secret because you don't believe in putting on airs and graces. You try to connect to this individual on a soul level, on a human level. It's like spirit cloaked you to test this individual, and they failed the test. And now they're desperate. Some of you may hear from this person in 8 hours, 8 days, the 8th of the month, of whatever month you're listening to this video, the 8th month. And this communication is going to come in very direct, very fast. It may shock you. For some of you, I feel like this communication will be one whereby they're just going to be talking and you're just going to be listening. They may be talking quite fast and apologizing and wanting to move away from the situation due to the embarrassment and the hurt that they caused. They may even say, can we move on from this? Because they see you as a Queen of Cups. They see you as charitable, beautiful, jovial is what I'm hearing, compassionate. And you've been nothing but nice to this individual. And that's why the guilt is setting in. And they feel so ashamed and embarrassed. It's like they want to hide. How can I treat this beautiful soul like this? How can I speak to them in that way? Every time they think about how they made you feel, it puts them in an energy of disappointment with themselves. That's why they want to hide. Some of them can't face you. Some of them may be waiting for you to reach out to them. And Spirit is saying, don't. Let them reach out to you. Let them apologize to you. Some of you have closed a cycle on this individual. It nearly affected your confidence. But you didn't let it. You chose happiness over despair. Despite the disrespect, you realize that it was a them thing, not a you thing, but it may have taken you a while to get to that way of thinking. Some of you are quite dismissive of this person. You don't look at them the same. You've changed. For some of you, this person may repress how they actually feel. But the guilt will eat them up inside, and the sorrow will haunt them. But what they want is a new beginning with you. To move forward from this and to have a brand new chapter. Because they weren't thinking right. Maybe they perceived you in the past as the enemy, but that was a facade. And they are in so much grief. This person does have emotions. You know, they do feel empathy. And for some of you, they've cried about how they treated you. This individual felt stuck and stagnant in their life. They lack confidence with this dissipating card, but now they're coming out of this energy. I feel like they may have been depressed, and there's an energy of not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and they weren't in the best frame of mind, but it doesn't make what they did right to you. But there may have been some type of completion in their life. Maybe someone passed and they were grieving, or there was an ending of a connection and they were in their healing phase, but they want to put a cycle of completion to this actual dynamic, this situation with you, because it does haunt them. And they feel, you know, or they felt like there was nothing to look forward to. They felt like things were lacking. I feel like this person was depressed, or they are depressed, and they feel like their life is at a standstill, and they are accepting that their behavior was disgusting and you've been nothing but sweet to them. And when they try and forget about how they treated you, it haunts them. It's like spirit is triggering this person to remind them about what they did to usher them towards apologizing to you. They keep thinking about it. But for some of you, this person's feeling much happier now. They're getting their zest back. They're acknowledging what they did was wrong. And they want a new beginning with you. For some of you, this person wants to be around you when they're more happier, because they're aware that the state that they're in could trigger another outburst and they're going to be back at square one, regretting-ish. But they generally are sorry for how they reacted, how they treated you, and there's no ill will. And for some of you, I feel as if this person has a lot to say to you. They may want to get things back to the way things used to be, regardless of the situation. This could be a romantic relationship, a family member, a friend, but they want to be on happier terms with you. They want to have fun with you. They don't want you to associate them with doom and gloom. So they're wishing for a positive outcome. So you or the people in this reading could be of the signs Virgo, Aries, Pisces, Capricorn, Leo, Pisces, Aries, Leo, 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 Leo again, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Virgo, Leo, Aries, and Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith.